consultants, WBTC3.com. What is good flat work on your commercial property? What does it look like? Most of the time, I know I just did good. The question is, what are defects in the flat work? Defects in the flat work is a lot like defects in the parking lot or the curbs. It's going to be cement cracks. It's going to be loose patio or paver pieces. It's going to be something that's bulging or swelling somewhere where it shouldn't be, often when it's been laid above a big tree root. It's going to be flat work that has drainage issues where water's been sitting a lot. It's going to be stuff that's uneven and has a trip hazard. You'll know it when you spend time on it. Often what we find with defects is people just aren't spending time with their property. If you'd like us to come look at something, if you'd like our expertise, even on a phone call, email, some pictures, whatever it may be, try to give you some context. It's really one of our strengths. If it's a gnarly job, we'll bring out a whole team. If it's small businesses, institutions, hotels, apartment buildings, those are our specialty. We're the best boutique firm in the world for those clients. Check us out at WBTC3.com. We've been in business for 11 years. We'd love to help you.